It is about that time. My instructor should be here any moment now, but that's alright. The longer he waits, helps me to settle down, calm the nerves. Not that I'm nervous, but it helps me think about what I'm going to be doing today. Hey up, here's the main man himself. Nutter!
Morning, Shane.
How you doing?
Fine.
It's an impressive entrance.
Oh, thank you very much. How are you?
Good to see you.
Right, this is what we're going to start in today.
Okay.
Astra, fairly low powered, but just get you into things a little bit.
Something sensible.
Yeah, something sensible.
All right.
We're going to have a quick coffee and just go through what we're going to do today.
Lovely job.
Okay.
And just a little bit about what I'm going to get out of today. If you could just run me through generally what I'm going to learn in terms of I've done rear-wheel drive, I've done four-wheel drive, but as far as tuition is concerned, I don't know about front wheel.
Right, we'll start with, I'm just going to get you to drive and just see how you drive the car.
Oh, crap.
Well, we'll see. And then I'll go from there. But what I want to try and teach you today is just sort of to keep the car as smooth as you can.
Right.
Start to work less with the car. Going to then go do some left foot braking, which I'll take it you've not done before.
No, not purposely anyway.
No, it's just a technique just to set the car up and to settle the car down, and it's just knowing when to use it and how much of it you need to use. That's going to take quite a lot of time.
So we'll have it mastered by the end of the day?
We will.
Look.
We will.
Excellent. And when it comes to like moving on to bigger and better stuff, you know, how do you go about it, and in what way of, you know, I'm on an Astra today, 1300. When do you know you're ready to go on to something bigger?
When you can't drive it any quicker.
Right.
You know, when you're thinking I can go much quicker there, but the car actually won't go any quicker.
Okay.
And you know that your ability is higher than the car's, and that's the time to move on.
Right.
But we're going to do a little bit in the four-wheel drive later on. Give you a thrash about in that.
Okay, fair go. I'll go get my kit on, get into the car, and we'll see what we can do and hope for the best. Pete, if you could just tell us a little bit about why this is a rally car.
Well, basically change it into a rally car, put a full roll cage in, bucket seats, full harness belt, a lot of strengthening underneath, because it does take a bit of a battering. Suspension and brakes are changed as well, so it will stop very quickly, handles well over the rough. And basically that's about it. The rest of it's standard gearbox, so basically Group N spec. Right. Nice and easy for you to drive. This time, I'll just show you, if you just watch my feet, I think they're just coming over. It's just, I'll
Finding where you're...
Yeah, and just feeling, because you can feel what happens when you just lift off. It takes quite a while for it to slide.
Well, yeah.
This time you'll find it will actually break away quite quickly, but it'll be quite smooth as well.
Okay. Gonna give it a blast?
Your turn. Lovely. Excuse me. Right, going around here in about 45, 50 seconds, so you're going to be looking for somewhere around that time by the end of today. So we'll see. right, then handbrake.
So as it brakes in.
Yeah, as it bites and turns to the right, then you can pull the handbrake on.
Right.
This time, Shane, is just have a go, just left foot braking a little bit.
Okay.
Just on a couple of corners. Yeah. Like coming down here, you can use it, and actually coming all the way along here.
Right.
And instead of, where you're lifting quite a lot, you're only just easing, and then just touch the brake a little bit. Just get a feel for it. Okay. Just on the first lap.
Sure.
Brakes and carry on in the slide. Yeah. Right. Come off the brakes, let it turn. It's the last couple of laps where you were just holding the steering.
Yeah.
Just little bits of steering. And you actually work on it. Yeah. And it's much smoother.
Yeah.
That's what I was on about earlier about being nice and smooth. Very good. 50 seconds, mate. You look like you've been working too hard.
Tell you what.
That was very good. Much smoother.
Last one, I'm
really good.
Have a piss break.
Good idea.